Wow, this is pretty. Flowers, temperature, the sky. So beautiful. The world's gone beautiful. Huh? Oh, national emergency message. Not today. It's so nice out today.
Clip.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is a national emergency message. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this national emergency message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KKWF 100.7. We will continue to serve the Seattle metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Seattle metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. Please stand by. The President, or a presidential representative, will speak on the air shortly. Stand by.
My fellow Americans, I am a representative of the President. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and an undisclosed authority. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. Over the last 10 minutes, flowers of various colors and species have begun rapidly growing on 90% of the viable land of the world. These flowers have been described as beautiful, vibrant, colorful, and other descripting words. The weather has cleared along with the air pollution, and the weather has gone to a temperature described as comfortable. According to the undisclosed authority, the rapid growth of these flowers signal that the world will end within the next 24 hours. You may do as you wish with these next 24 hours. Remember that life is a one-time opportunity. Use it well. All civil authorities will be honorably discharged. I will sign off with a quote from the Bible. Or all things will work together for those who love God, or in all things that God works for those who love Him to bring about what is good. Go outside and enjoy these last 24 hours. Skip through the fields, breathe the fresh air, make amends with people you've had issues with, hold your loved ones tight, as the world's gone beautiful. Goodbye, and God bless America.
This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. All programming cease after the conclusion of this alert. Thank you for being a part of the American dream.
Well, I guess there goes that.
You're too young, you're never gonna know what hit me when I fell down in silence. No one thinks what I'm doing is the right way forward. You'll see, it's not just a dream now.